Lenovo Ideapad Premium 15.6. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. Struggled to pick out a new laptop. To many opinions, bought this one with 8 grams memory and a 256 SSD drive, so I have to say came on time, bought it right up, works great. Hope I made some good choices, but so far so good. This is a great little inexpensive workhorse that we purchased for our RV. An added bonus is having the SD card reader so I can quickly transfer pics from our travels. There is plenty of storage, the screen is bright and crisp, and it is on the lighter weight size. The battery is lasting 8 hours and recharges quickly. Looking forward to getting lots of use out of this in the next few years. Key features: 5.6-inch LED backlit display, 1366 by 768 HD resolution, 802.11b/g/n, 1x1, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.0 combo, integrated 10/100/1000 GB LAN, 1 multi-format SD media card reader, dual speakers, integrated graphics chipset with shared video memory, provides solid image quality for internet use, movies, basic photo editing and casual gaming. 1 TB HDD provides massive storage space for huge files, so that you can store important digital data and work your way through it with ease. It gives you enormous space to save all of your files. Enhance the overall performance of the laptop for business, student, daily usage. 8 GB system memory for multitasking, adequate high bandwidth RAM to smoothly run multiple applications and browser tabs all at once. AMD A99425 processor. 3.1 GHz base frequency, up to 3.7 GHz burst frequency, AMD Radeon R5, 2x USB 3.0, 1x HDMI, 1x headphone output/microphone input combo, SD/SDHC/SDXC media reader. $29.99 value. Mastro accessories including with USB extension cord, mouse pad and HDMI cable. Windows 10 brings back the Start menu from Windows 7 and introduces new features, like the Edge web browser that lets you mark up web pages on your screen. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.